So lady Sunday, you'll see that you're busy, but it's okay. Shit, you really think you pushing me?
Been friends since 1995. Growing up.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Natural BB here, and I'm back with another video. So guys, for today's video I will be showing you guys how to install this lace front wig here that I got from Ayiyi hair. Yeah guys, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. I do want to say that I'm not a pro at this. I am very much a beginner, which is what's going to make this very beginner friendly. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So guys, everything that you just saw was everything that came in the package, and now I'm going to show you guys the hair. This is an 18-inch lace front wig. I'm going to put the density on the screen because I don't have it right next to me right now, but y'all, this hair was very full. I definitely don't think this hair was 150% density. I definitely think it was more. I'm gonna double check and put it on the screen for you guys, but y'all, right off the bat, out of the box, the hair is super soft. It is super heavy. So as you can see guys, it came with elastic band, adjustable strap, or whatever you call it. I love wigs that come with those because it makes your wig stay on your head. It secures the wig more, and I just feel like it helps me apply my wig even better. So you guys are going to see me put the wig on my head right now just to show you guys you know, basically what it's looking like and everything. So guys, the hair came pre-plucked a little bit. I did not pluck this wig. I did not bleach the knots or anything. I did not do anything to this wig yet, and I won't be doing anything to it. I don't like to bleach my wig, and I'm not a pro at plucking, so I just find my way to work around it. Now y'all, we're going to apply some makeup on the cap because it is definitely way too light than my original skin tone, so I'm just applying some foundation on there. Now I'm going to apply some foundation on the lace. I'm going to apply my foundation, and then I'm going to take some Got To Be Free spray, and I'm going to spray it on there. It's basically like me creating my own hair tint so it can match my exact skin tone.
Same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those are the guys you choose. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long.
Now guys, I'm done applying my foundation on my cap and on my lace. I'm just pulling the wig towards the front of my head, and I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, I'm showing you guys right now. Look at the scalp. It looks like it's matching my skin tone, which is exactly what I wanted. So now I'm basically fixing the straps in the back so it can be a bit tighter on my head, because I did not have it like adjusted or anything, but now I adjusted it. As you guys can see, it looks snug. It doesn't hurt my head. Now I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray. I'm just applying it at the perimeter of my head.
Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on
Now guys, I'm bringing the lace down, and I'm basically going to press it down a bit, And I did go ahead and spray some more Got To Be Free spray over the lace, and now I'm just tying it up, guys. So now we're just going to wait for it to dry. Like I said, it doesn't take a long time to dry, so it's not going to be a long wait. Now guys, all I did was cut the lace off. I couldn't show you guys how I did it just because I was having a very hard time cutting it correctly, so I just went ahead and did it off camera. And yeah guys, I'm basically just going to try to define my part a bit more and use my hot comb just to, you know, have the hair laid down flat. And yeah.
Call you up, how you been? Can we play rewind?
So guys, this is what we have so far. I'm mainly focused on having the front lay flat just because I am doing a middle part, so I'm not too concerned about the sides. But of course, if you're doing a side part, you want your focus to be on the side part, or if you're pushing the entire hair back or doing a bun, you want to focus on the entire lace front. But me, I'm really just focused on the front section just because I'm doing a middle part. So I'm just taking some alcohol here and just wiping off the excess spray.
Coming like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small.
Now guys, I'm just applying some mousse just so I can have a flatter look in the front, I guess. And after applying the mousse, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair again.
Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you.
So guys, the hard part is basically over now. All I'm doing is straightening the hair, and as you guys can see, this hair takes my bootleg flat iron so well. Like, my flat iron is so bootleg, so I let it get very, very hot, and I'm taking my time to go through each section of the hair so I can get it like as bone straight as possible. Look at the bounce, guys. Look at the shine. This hair is so gorgeous and it's so full. Normally I don't do middle parts with straight hair, but this hair, I had no choice. Like, I just wanted a middle part for so long with full density straight hair, and this hair gave that to me. I wish it was longer though, so maybe I'd order this hair myself in a longer length. But other than that, this hair is literally perfect, guys. Look at the shine. Look how good the quality is. I'm not even kidding. This hair has a bomb ass quality. This is some good ass hair. So anyways, guys, now I'm taking the thing, you know, the edge thingy off of my head, and as you guys can see, I still have some white or some discoloration or whatever. It's not blending into my skin. All I went ahead and did was I sprayed some more Got To Be Free spray, and then I tied it again, and after I took it off, it blended with my skin. And then I took some makeup and I basically defined my part. I didn't show you guys that, so that's basically all that I did. So in the next clip, you're just going to see my part is more defined and the lace is melted. All I did was spray the Got To Be Free spray right there, guys. Okay, and that's it. And this is the finished look, you guys. The hair is so bomb, it's so pretty, it's so full, and it's very easy to apply. If you're a beginner, I really hope this helped you. And if you guys have any more questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments section below. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.